The 2007 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.